Hey guys, it's Kaylin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add widgets to your home screen. So I know you've seen on TikTok the iOS 14 update, and if you haven't gotten it, I suggest you get it. Some people don't like the change, but I think it's really cool to customize your home screen. So I'm going to show y'all how to, put the little big square things on. It's called widgets, but yeah. So basically you're going to need to go to Widgetsmith, and you basically click the little date. It's gonna pop up as a date at first. So you click default widget, and then if you want to have the date like I have it, then you have to choose your font, and then you can choose the color and the background color. Let's say I want that, and then you click save widget. So then when you go to your home screen, you just hold it down, hold the screen down, and you go to the top left corner and click plus, and then you scroll all the way down to Widgetsmith, and then you click add widget, and then when you're done, you just click the widget. Oops, I'm sorry. You just hold that down, click edit widget, and then widget, and then you have to click which one. I forgot which number it was. Oh, okay. So yeah, you have to remember what number it is, and then you're gonna click that, and then it's gonna pop up. So yeah. Now I'm gonna show y'all how to put picture on there. So before you put a picture on, you need to go to your Photos app and put it in its own album. So as you can tell, I put this picture of me and my friends in its own album. And I just really named it something random, HSDNDDB, So I'm going to go back to the Widgets app, and then I'm going to scroll all the way down, or I'm just going to put add medium widget. And so, yeah, default, and then you're going to scroll all the way down. This is the same thing as if you click small widget or large widget. So yeah, you're going to click photo and album. And then you're gonna scroll all the way down to the name of the album that you put your picture in, and it has to only be one picture in there or it's not gonna work. So yeah, it's in its own album now, and I click that, so now you can see the pictures right there. Now I go back, click save, and then go to my home screen, hold it down, click the little plus in the left top corner, then I scroll all the way down, and I go to scroll over to medium widgets, click add widget, and then I always do this every time. Okay, so I click edit widget, and then I go to medium widget, and then there it is. Okay, now I'm going to change it back to what it was. But yeah, I hope that explained that. And I know that some people wanted to know how to get the date and the time on top of each other, so I'm going to show y'all how to do that. Okay, so it's going to be the same way if you download Colorwidget, which I know a lot of girls like this one too, because you can have the date and the time, and it looks really cool, but it didn't look right with my aesthetic, so I just used the Widgetsmith app. And yeah, they have a bunch of pre-made ones, and you can do that. And if you want to customize it, then let me go to a regular one. Then you can just edit widget, and then change the font or change the color like that, and then set widget, and then you just hold the screen down, click the plus, color widgets, and then you have it right here. And yeah, so that's how you do that one. Then the next way, if you want to change your app covers, I thought it was I wanted my aesthetic to be glowing and purple and stuff, so that's why all my aesthetics are glowing. So you're gonna go to the shortcuts app, and I'm pretty sure there's a shorter way to do this, but I'm kind of slow and I can't figure that out, so I'm just gonna show you all the way I know. So you click the plus sign in the top right corner, then you click add actions, open app, and then so you're gonna open the app, and then you're gonna click choose, which I had chose Instagram. So yeah, and then I click the 3 dots at the top right corner, and I'm gonna click add to home screen, and I'm gonna change the name to Instagram, or you can change it to whatever you want, but look, I'm not gonna be able to, like, you know, tell which app is which because I'm not used to it yet, so I'm just gonna name it what the app really is. And I click choose photo. Okay, so basically I'm over here, and now I'm just gonna click a random album. So just to say if I wanted to change one of my covers to a picture of me, so I'm just gonna do that, but you can choose any picture you want. I'm gonna choose that. And so now the Instagram label thingy is a picture of moi. Now I click done and next, and well, actually I don't need that. So yeah, now I go to my screen, and I just look right there, and look, it's the thingies right here. And when you open it, it's gonna take you to Instagram. So yeah, that's all for, you know, today, guys. So that's how you do that. And if y'all have any questions, let me know. If you want me to make like a better explanation, I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I will definitely do it. And yeah, so let me know how it works for you guys, and if this was like helpful and stuff. And make sure you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye.